Hello! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use Quizlet for feedback purposes. Students create peer quizzing questions using Quizlet to develop a deeper understanding of the course materials. Click on the plus sign on homepage and select Create Study Set. You can type your questions in the term and answers in the definition box. Click on Done when you complete typing your questions. To share the link, click on the symbol on the upper right of the screen. You can choose one or more from the different question types by simply clicking on them. If you activate instant feedback, a feedback box will appear after each question. To continue to the next question, click on Continue. You can see your results at the end of the test.